Now coming to the skills required by ethical hackers, we have listed just the general skills here, but if you just go deep down in the skills, you will notice that there are many other skills which are related to ethical hackers. But just on the high level, the bird's eye view, as an ethical hacker, you should be proficient with operating systems. You should know that how to work with Windows and Ubuntu and Mac operating system, because the servers could be built with any of the operating systems, and the security flaws and vulnerabilities could be available with all these operating systems. Then you should have the concepts of networking clear. You should know that how the data packets are being sent across, how a TCP connection works, how a HTTPS connection works. You should have a basic concept of networking which you can easily use to analyze the different data and traffic which is being passed across between organizations and the individuals. Finally, you should have some kind of proficiency with the programming languages. This is important because if you are working in the web application part for ethical hacking, you should be proficient with scripting and you should be proficient with HTML. You should know how to analyze a HTML document and how to analyze a JavaScript document. And similarly, if you are working towards the more towards the firmware side, you should be proficient with other programming languages as per the use cases which we want to take up. So these are just the three skills which are primarily important for an ethical hacker, and they should have some kind of proficiency built with these skills.